I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another bomb video. So y'all already see the bomb look, like it's giving everything it needs to give. So we're gonna start off with this bald cap, making her look completely bald using a makeup shade that is closest to her shade. And then after that, I'm going to put the wig on. We're going to prep her skin. Alright, and after that bald cap is completed, I'm going to put that wig on her head. And then I'm going to put the same makeup I put on the bald cap onto the lace. This was a transparent lace, so it's not normally like the HD where you don't really have to do much, but just put a little bit of makeup on it, it'll be alright. And then you want to go ahead and cut out those ear tabs. You can't forget to cut those out, or it's just not going to make sense.
Familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say
Alright, and the way that you prep your client's skin is by cleaning it off completely with 91% alcohol. You want to get it real good, get all of that makeup and anything that can be on the skin that can affect how the lace stays on. And then after that, I do go in and spray a skin guard, which is it's a spray to protect the client's skin from any ingredients from the lace glue. And then I go in and do my 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry completely in between. And then I'm going to lay the lace down into the lace glue. And then after that, I'm going to put a band on and begin to style her hair. And while she's melting down, I'm going to go ahead and start molding her hair and styling it into the style that we are doing. Alright, now we're taking that band off, and now we are cutting the lace. Y'all know, don't go on a straight line. Make sure it's kind of raggedy with it. But we're gonna cut all that lace off and then pull out my baby hairs, and then I am going to melt her down again. Alright, so with this style, you're basically just slicking hair back up into like a little updo. So, of course, you want to take your baby hairs out, and then you want to do like a part on each side. And then the top part, you're going to slick that back, and then on the side part, you're going to slick it back, but kind of to the side to where you can still see the part into the look. You'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the left side of her head. You can see where I was talking about that part, and then the front going straight back, and then the side part going kind of to the side and then back. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that on the other side so you can see how I did it.
If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn, the boy is back, I never turn my back, I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, and that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time.
Alright, and when I was sectioning beforehand, I was just clipping the hair up just to hold it in place. So now I'm actually going to be putting in the hair tie to actually set it in place. And then to create that, what do you even call it? I don't know, but you're going to see me put a bobby pin up into the ponytail to have it lifted up a little bit. And here I am about to pin it up. You literally just lift the ponytail up just slightly and then pin with a bobby pin, and that's it, to give you that look that everybody is going for. And then now I'm just doing my finishing touches, you know. Alright, and now we are about to cut those two little bangs. Make sure you cut right in front, make sure they're even. And then I'm going to slightly just press them out. You don't want to do no curl, just slightly do a little press.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate hump. Niggas gotta move on my release day, bitch, this is fame, not clout.
And now we're getting into the baby hairs. So for this look, we only did one baby hair on each side because the side burn piece is literally like how the front bangs are, but of course way shorter. So we're just doing that one swoop on the side, and then of course you gotta pluck it out. You don't want no thick baby hairs on your forehead. And then we are going to curl them and lay them.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too
I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat.
And y'all, this is pretty much the finished look. So really get into it because I love this look. It's really giving the girls like 90s but still modern. Like, it's giving that girl. And enjoy these clips that we recorded when we were doing some content shooting. They're really cute. And thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I have so much more to come. So stick around.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back.